A blend of innovation, reliability, and user-friendliness, Honeywell TrueZone Panels are one of the smartest heat pump solutions on the market. Today, we're taking a look at how these panels combine efficiency and affordability to be a smart choice for technicians and homeowners alike. Honeywell TrueZone Panels provide a reliable zone control system for homeowners and technicians. Designed for use with heat pumps, these panels are exceptionally user-friendly and easy to install. The push-in terminal blocks make a secure connection while reducing installation time by half compared to traditional screw terminals. Each block can accommodate up to 2 wires for maximum flexibility during setup. Diving deeper into its features, some panels are compatible with RedLink-enabled thermostats, with a separately sold adapter, allowing users to connect the panels into one cohesive network. Once connected, the panels can detect a zone of greatest demand and prioritize heat flow to the zone that requires the most attention. Honeywell TrueZone panels ship fast and free from Supplyhouse.com. Order yours today and make sure to subscribe for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.